Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Wi-Fi Direct on the printer. Do it now. On the control panel, open Wireless or Network Settings and select Wi-Fi Direct. Once done, enable the feature and write down the network name and password shown because you'll need them on your device. Make sure the printer stays awake. Some models sleep quickly. If firmware prompts appear, install updates before continuing. You're now ready to connect a phone, tablet, or laptop directly to the printer's Wi-Fi Direct network. Now connect your device to the printer's Wi-Fi Direct network. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings, find the HP Direct Roman 20 SSID, and join it using the password you noted. Once connected, open the file or photo you want to print and use the System Print dialog to select the HP Direct printer. Make sure your app supports direct printing. If not, use HP Smart or the built-in printing service. Remember, direct mode bypasses your router, so internet access may be unavailable while printing. Send the print job and watch the printer display for progress. Some jobs start only after you confirm on the panel. Once printing finishes, disconnect your device from the HP Direct network so it returns to your usual Wi-Fi and internet. If printing fails, reboot both printer and device, then retry the connection. This clears temporary network conflicts. Also double-check the SSID and password characters, case matters. If problems persist, try the HP Smart app or temporarily disable VPNs and firewalls on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.